In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on your Dropbox account, ensuring that your files and information are even more secure. As you may know, adding this extra layer of security can make a big difference in protecting your data from unauthorized access. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Dropbox account. Open your web browser and head over to www.dropbox.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to log in. Just enter your email and password associated with your Dropbox account, and you'll be on your way. Once logged in, let's head to the settings. You'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, select Settings. That's going to take us exactly where we need to be for the next steps. Now that we're in the settings area, we need to focus on security. In the top menu, you'll notice a tab labeled Security. Click on that, and it'll open up a page dedicated to keeping your account safe and sound. Here, you'll find a section called Two-Step Verification. This is the feature we're enabling today. You'll see an option to either turn on or enable two-step verification. Click there to begin the process. At this point, Dropbox will prompt you to choose how you'd like to receive your security codes. You have two options here. The first option is to receive your codes via text message. With this option, you'll just need to provide your phone number, and Dropbox will send a code directly to your phone. Simply enter the code you received to proceed. The second option is to use an authenticator app. Popular choices include Google Authenticator, Auth, or Microsoft Authenticator. If you opt for this method, you'll see a QR code displayed on your screen. Open your chosen app and scan this QR code, then enter the 6-digit code generated by the app to continue. Once you've completed the setup, Dropbox will provide you with backup codes. These are extremely important, as they allow you to access your account in case you lose access to the phone number or authenticator app you used during setup. Make sure to save these backup codes in a safe place. You might want to write them down and store them somewhere secure or save them in a password manager that you trust. And there you have it. You've successfully added an extra layer of security to your Dropbox account through two-step verification. With this setup, you can feel more confident about the safety of your personal data and files. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.